So here's a good reason. Now this tree had been damaged in a prior storm where a big branch of it fell off. But as you can see, this is a giant cherry tree and it goes way over there. And this is a good reason to take care of things when things come up. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's another tree over there that was knocked over by it. And then if you have any grape leaves or any other type of vines up in your trees, when this tree comes down like this, it'll pull all the rest of the trees down. So the forester, when you're walking around in the woods, wants you to cut all that stuff off with good reason. With good reason. Looks like I've got some maple trees dying for no reason. I wonder what's going on there. We'll leave them. I got another tree there that's dead. So pretty soon I'll come out here with some paint and I'll start marking trees that are dead so that when I come back in the winter time, you know, none of the trees have their leaves on and you don't realize which ones are the dead ones and which ones need to be taken out. This one is right over. This is the best This is the best road on our property to come up and get on top of a ridge top. And this tree has fallen and you can see the tracks right over the road. So I assume that we're gonna get this one out of here pretty quick. This is kind of touchy to cut because when you start cutting on that tree, obviously the tree is not gonna fall that way. So it's either gonna come this way or go that way. You kind of gotta just get a feel for which way is the best way. Another thing that makes it hard cutting up here is the hills. So on this particular tree, you don't realize it, but I'd have to stand on the hillside. It's not really that steep, but I know there's a gully down there because I cut the other branch off of it. And the problem with it is if the tree decides it wants to slide back this way. So you really have to open up your exit path when you're cutting a tree out. And the thing is, you want a tree like this, there's a lot of pressure already going this way on it. So trying to get it to go the right way, it's going to be an interesting adventure. Whereas when that tree was standing perfectly straight, if I would have cut it down, I could have put it exactly where I wanted, which would have been right on the path going this way, because then we could have cleared it out and had no problem cutting it. As it is, there's a gully right there, and then it's going to be up on the hillside, so getting all the good firewood out of there is going to be an adventure. So that's what I wanted to show you here.